Hi, this is Miss Dutchins, and I'm going to show you guys how to do the Lexington and Concord part 2 of the Pear Deck. So we're going to do part 1 together, and it will be teacher-led, and then you guys will be doing this part 2 on your own. So when you get to this, I'll be going over the directions in class, but obviously if you're watching this, it means that you missed those directions, so just keep following along. You can find the Pear Deck after we're done. It'll turn into student paste in class, and it'll be under this week. You just click sign in and it'll take you to the Pear Deck that you're supposed to do. It should leave you off where you ended in class. If it doesn't, you can just go click next until you reach this slide. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to draw or type 2 things you remember about Lexington and Concord and the Battle of Bunker Hill. That will be from the Pear Deck that we did together in class. So 2 things, anything you remember. It could be about the battle itself, it could be something specific, it could be about a person, but you'll want at least 2 things. Then what you're going to do is you're going to read this, but you're going to fill in the blanks for the notes that are here. So it tells you fill in the blanks. Why would people not want independence? So it says independence not such a hot topic, and then A and B. So in your answers, you're just going to write A and then your answer and then B, your answer. So why would people not want independence? And then just make sure you read this part about the olive branch petition. The next one, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to fill in the blanks for what you think the quotes mean. And again, you'll just put A1, A2. So open and avowed rebellion. What do you think that means? And then what do you think bring traitors to justice means? And you'll do that. You'll just write your response. Then you're going to watch this clip. You guys can just open this or click on this and it'll open up in a YouTube in another tab. If it for some reason it's not working for you, just let me know and I'll send you the link. Then after you watch the video, you're going to answer 2 questions. So 1, after asking for peace, how do you think the colonists felt about being called traitors? And then what do you think he meant about we shall all hang together or assuredly hang separately? So you're going to answer both those questions. Again, just put 1 and 2 and I'll know which one you're talking about. For this one, you're just going to read what it says, and it's talking about who's going to write the Declaration of Independence. And then for this question, you're going to answer these 2 about Thomas Jefferson and the writing of the Declaration of Independence. So why might this be a huge task for Thomas Jefferson? And what do you think he had to talk about in the Declaration? And then this last part is you're going to predict how you think Britain will react to this Declaration of Independence. Do you think they'll be angry? Do you think they'll try to work it out? Do you think they'll start war? What do you think will happen? And again, you're just writing a response. And then once you get to this slide, it just means that you've finished all of them. So you have 23 sides total. Once you get to 23 out of 23, you know you're done. And then you just go back to this week and you press mark is done. But other than that, that's all you're doing for this Pear Deck Part 2. If you have any questions, just let me know. But again, thank you for listening.